Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about personalizing wooden crafts by showing you a collection of different wooden craft project ideas items. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Personalizing wooden crafts is an enriching and creative process that allows artisans to infuse their unique style and personal touch into each piece, transforming ordinary items into meaningful, one-of-a-kind treasures. This journey begins with a deep understanding of the material itself, wood. Each type of wood has its own characteristics, grain patterns, and color variations, which not only affect the aesthetic appeal of the final product but also influence how it can be manipulated and personalized. For instance, hardwoods like oak or maple are known for their durability and fine grain, making them ideal for items that require longevity, such as furniture or kitchenware. Meanwhile, softer woods like pine or cedar can be easier to carve and shape, providing an excellent canvas for intricate designs. Understanding these properties allows artisans to make informed decisions about which wood to use based on the intended personalization. One of the most effective ways to personalize wooden crafts is through engraving or burning techniques. Wood burning, or pyrography, is a method that involves using a heated tool to create designs, patterns, or text on the surface of the wood. This technique allows for a high degree of precision and creativity, enabling artisans to add intricate details that reflect their personal style or the preferences of the recipient. For example, a simple wooden cutting board can be transformed into a cherished gift by adding a family name, a meaningful quote, or decorative motifs that resonate with the recipient's personality. The warmth of the wood combined with the artistry of the engraving creates a lasting impression that elevates the craftsmanship beyond the functional aspect of the item. In addition to engraving, painting and staining are popular methods for personalizing wooden crafts. These techniques provide a broader palette of colors and finishes, allowing artisans to create designs that align with contemporary trends or personal aesthetics. For instance, a plain wooden box can be painted in vibrant colors and adorned with geometric patterns, making it a statement piece in any room. Alternatively, applying a stain can enhance the natural beauty of the wood grain while adding depth and richness to the color. This not only highlights the craftsmanship but also offers a way to match the item to existing decor, making it a thoughtful addition to a home. Another avenue for personalization is through the incorporation of mixed media. Artisans can combine wood with other materials such as metal, glass, or fabric to create unique designs that tell a story. For example, a wooden frame can be enhanced with metal accents or a glass insert, providing a striking contrast that elevates its visual appeal. Similarly, fabric can be used to line the interior of a wooden jewelry box, adding a touch of luxury and individuality. This approach not only broadens the creative possibilities but also allows artisans to express their artistic vision in a multifaceted way, resulting in pieces that are both functional and visually captivating. Moreover, personalization can be achieved by customizing the size and shape of wooden crafts to suit specific needs or preferences. For instance, a standard bookshelf can be tailored to fit a particular space or to accommodate specific items, such as a collection of books or decorative objects. By taking into account the dimensions and layout of the intended space, artisans can create bespoke solutions that enhance functionality while showcasing their design sensibility. This custom approach underscores the importance of understanding the end user's needs, allowing for a more meaningful connection between the craftsman and the recipient. In the realm of gifting, personalized wooden crafts carry an emotional weight that mass-produced items often lack. The effort and thoughtfulness that go into creating a customized piece resonate deeply with recipients, making the item not just a gift but a cherished memory. For example, a hand-carved wooden toy, personalized with the child's name or a special date, becomes a keepsake that passes down through generations, embodying the love and care of the giver. This emotional connection is further amplified when artisans share the story behind the piece, explaining the inspiration and techniques used in its creation. Such narratives enrich the gifting experience, transforming a simple object into a treasured heirloom. Social media platforms have become invaluable tools for artisans looking to showcase their personalized wooden crafts. By sharing images and stories of their work, creators can engage with a broader audience, garnering feedback and inspiration from fellow crafters and potential customers. This online presence not only serves as a portfolio for artisans, but also fosters a community where ideas and techniques can be exchanged. Through platforms like Instagram or Pinterest, artisans can discover emerging trends in personalization, such as popular motifs or color palettes, allowing them to stay relevant in a competitive market. Workshops and classes can also play a pivotal role in the personalization of wooden crafts. By participating in these educational opportunities, artisans can learn new techniques, explore different materials, and gain insights into current trends in design and personalization. Whether it's a local woodworking class or an online tutorial, these resources provide essential skills that empower individuals to expand their creative repertoire. Additionally, collaborative workshops create a space for artists to share their experiences and techniques, fostering a culture of learning and innovation within the woodworking community. As artisans develop their skills in personalization, they may also find that their work begins to reflect broader themes and values that resonate with contemporary audiences. For instance, the rise of minimalism has influenced the design of many wooden crafts, prompting artisans to create pieces that emphasize simplicity and functionality. Personalization in this context might involve clean lines and subtle engravings that enhance rather than overwhelm the design. Conversely, the trend toward bohemian and eclectic styles encourages more adventurous personalization, with vibrant colors and intricate patterns that celebrate individuality. By staying attuned to these trends, artisans can create pieces that not only showcase their personal style but also resonate with current consumer preferences. Moreover, sustainability has become an integral theme in the personalization of wooden crafts. As consumers grow more conscious of their environmental impact, there is a rising demand for products that reflect eco-friendly practices. Artisans can respond to this need by sourcing reclaimed wood or using non-toxic finishes, emphasizing the sustainable aspects of their work. Personalization in this context may involve incorporating elements that celebrate nature, such as leaf motifs or natural stains that highlight the wood's inherent beauty. By aligning their personalization efforts with sustainable practices, artisans can attract a conscientious customer base that values environmental responsibility. The journey of personalizing wooden crafts often leads artisans to discover their unique voice and style. As they experiment with various techniques, materials, and designs, they begin to develop a signature aesthetic that sets their work apart. This distinctive style not only enhances their brand identity but also builds a loyal customer base that appreciates their artistic vision. For example, an artisan who specializes in whimsical, hand-painted designs may attract customers looking for playful, unique items, while another who focuses on sleek, modern lines may appeal to those seeking minimalistic decor. This self-discovery process is an essential aspect of the creative journey, allowing artisans to express their individuality through their work. Additionally, personalization allows artisans to engage with their customers in a more meaningful way. By offering customization options, they can create a dialogue that enhances the overall experience for both parties. This interaction not only builds rapport but also provides valuable insights into customer preferences, allowing artisans to tailor their offerings to meet specific demands. For instance, if a customer expresses a desire for a particular design or color scheme, the artisan can incorporate that feedback into future projects, fostering a sense of collaboration that enriches the creative process. As artisans continue to hone their skills in personalization, they may also find inspiration in the rich history of woodworking and craftsmanship. Studying traditional techniques and styles can provide valuable insights into the art of personalization, allowing artisans to draw from a wealth of knowledge and experience. This exploration of history can lead to a deeper appreciation for the craft, inspiring artisans to incorporate elements of traditional designs into their personalized pieces. Personalizing wooden crafts is a dynamic and fulfilling process that allows artisans to express their creativity, connect with their audience, and create meaningful pieces that resonate with individual stories and values. Through techniques like engraving, painting, and mixed media, artisans can transform ordinary items into unique treasures that reflect their personal style and the preferences of their customers. The journey of personalization not only enhances the aesthetic and functional qualities of wooden crafts, but also fosters a deeper connection between the craftsman, the object, and its eventual owner. As artisans continue to explore new techniques, trends, and themes, they contribute to a vibrant and evolving landscape of woodworking that celebrates individuality, sustainability, and the rich narratives woven into each piece. Ultimately, the art of personalization in wooden crafts is a testament to the enduring power of creativity and craftsmanship, reminding us of the beauty that can be found in the intersection of tradition and innovation. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden craft projects for interior home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.